The biggest mistake people make with their video tripod is skipping this crucial step. It's all about balance. If you want to get pro level shots, then follow along as we show you how to balance your video head. First things first, mount the camera plate to your rig. Then slide your camera on and lock it down. Next, set your plate, tilt drag, and counterbalance to 0 as a baseline. See how when you loosen the tilt lock, your camera just flops right over? This means the camera is too far forward or backwards. Not safe, definitely not good. Level out the tilt and slide the camera back and forth until it stays put. This means your camera is centered over the tilt. Next, try the counterbalance one step at a time. If your camera falls away from you, increase the counterbalance. If it springs towards you, decrease the counterbalance. Then dial in your fluid drag. Simply turn the drag knob and you'll notice the resistance. You want it to feel smooth without feeling forced. When your video tripod head is properly balanced, you'll be able to tilt your camera in any position and it'll stay put. Now you're balanced, but so what? Well, it keeps your gear safe. If the head's tilt lock is ever accidentally left unlocked, your camera won't just tilt over on its own. When your camera's properly balanced, movements are simply better and easier. Drop a note in the comments, let us know what you want to know more of about your tripod and Benro gear.